These Chinese stocks are so disappointing. The market is at all-time highs, and these Chinese stocks are pretty much at all-time lows. We could have been in any other stock besides these Chinese stocks, and we would be up. Crypto's up. Tech stocks are up. Bank stocks are semi-up. And these Chinese stocks are just struggling every single day. People are saying to sell Nvidia at $500 and buy Alibaba at $100. Do you know where Nvidia is at today? Wow. It's a 926. I mean, we could have just made all our money back if we bought at the beginning of the year and sold Alibaba at the beginning of the year. Wow, I just can't believe it. I'm so tired of Alibaba, but it's so hard to just let it go. And every week I keep losing on these calls. I don't know what I'm doing to myself. You can see here, it's just trading this range of 70 and 76. We broke below 75, which I thought could have been a very strong support. And yesterday, JD had their earnings report, and it was supposedly great. And look where JD's at. Yesterday, it did go up, and I thought that we would have multiple green days for JD, but no, that's not the case. If this stock was red, if earnings were bad, it would have multiple red days, but no, it was good. It only had one green day. It shows that these Chinese stocks, you cannot get into them. No matter how undervalued it is, how low the PE ratio is, how oversold it is. These are trading at this price for a reason. No one wants it. I just can't believe I didn't get out years ago. When they had their tech crackdown, that was a sign that you just cannot make money with these Chinese stocks. Baba, Baidu, JD, even Neo, you just can't touch them at all. But I'm already in too deep, and it's just so depressing to see every other stock going up while these Chinese stocks are just trading below $80. Oh, it's selling off right now. Yesterday, it was up, but I knew it wasn't going to hold because every time it gaps up, it tends to fill the gap. You can see. Even here, you can see 66 gapped up, and guess what? Fill the gap, or it's about to fill the gap. So yes, you can see, how is this bullish at all? It's on a downtrend. Wow, and you cannot compare Alibaba to Meta. I love how people compare these two. Oh, Meta, 512. There are two different companies. One is a US company and one is a Chinese company. You can see JD, still in this range. Doesn't matter how good the earnings are. Baidu was once a $300 stock. And look where it's at, under $100. And it hit a new 52-week low. Yay. Isn't that great? I know I'm not the only one losing money on Alibaba because I look at the options chain and every single day people are buying calls, including myself. I've been losing on these calls every single week. You can see today, 75 strike, 88,000 volume traded. Wow. Remember, people are buying the 80 call strikes? These are worthless. Unless Alibaba has a huge move, unless some great news comes out tonight, these options are going to be worthless. Last night, they had good data, and guess what? It dropped in Hong Kong markets. So again, What's going to drive these Chinese stocks up? Obviously, it doesn't go up with the market. The Qs are up over 1%. SPY is up, almost over 1%. Look at this, on an uptrend. And look where Alibaba is, on a downtrend. KWEB, it's a Chinese ETF on a downtrend. Wow, I'm such an idiot. I am such an idiot for being in these Chinese stocks. All I want to do is just make half the money back. I don't even want to break even. I just want to make half of it back. But how can I make it back if I keep buying weekly calls and every single week it expires worthless? And I know it's going to expire worthless, but yet I keep digging myself deeper and deeper in the hole. Let me know in the comments, do you honestly think Alibaba can see $80 this year? For me, I don't think so. We're most likely going to see all-time lows again before we see $80.